Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and hope some of you actually got into this rally of Egld or Multiversx, but we're going to call it Egld in this video, which rallied a ton over the last overnight, for me at least. Basically started right here, really in the night. Like I couldn't have gotten this, but all right. Before that, Egld was also bullish, but this is basically, if you take a look at this chart right here, up until $34. It was basically as bullish as any other crypto, all right. And then overnight the manipulation started because I mean this is manipulated. I don't think anybody argues with that. Like you can see it here, the first initial move. In 10 minutes, the volume went from 33 million to $90 million. That's not normal, all right? And then apart from that, I mean, the volume right now is around $700 million, which I'm not even sure if Egld ever hit that number. It hasn't in the last year. It has hit that at the peak of the bull run, of Egld's bull run at least. So yeah, it is manipulated. But all right, doesn't matter. You can also see most of the volume coming from Bybit, which is another confirmation. But that doesn't matter. I mean, right now it could still rally up higher. All right, so that's what we'll take a look at. And apart from that, I do want to say, like, I don't want to discredit Multiversx because I do think it's a great project, and I know that the community around it is loyal and loves the project. But a move like this is just not normal. All right, that's just a fact. But all right, so the situation for Egld right now is that you can see that essentially until 7 o'clock in my time zone, it kept increasing its open interest. So then the momentum kept increasing. Right now, it is stalling a bit. It's neutral. It's not bearish, by far not, but it is no longer really growing. The volume is, but that doesn't really matter. So the big question is can it rally up higher? Like, to be honest, I have a bit of trouble with analyzing Egld, because I would say the main resistance level right now is $54. But there also obviously is a big psychological resistance level around $50. And I would say that with the momentum that Egld still has, I would say breaking above $50 is enough, but we do need to see that. All right. And then the main price target actually is more around like $58/$60. Right. So that's the main thing we'll see today, whether Egld is going to be able to break above $50 or not. If it is able to break above $50 and it actually holds it as support, I expect $58 with a top all the way right here at $60/$62. Like, a lot is possible. Like you can see right now as well, if you go to the funding rate for Egld is also negative. So that means that there's an incentive to go long. So far, Egld has rallied on its own, at least this rally right here, it has rallied about 56%. I've seen rallies which go way higher. So there's definitely still potential, but we just need to see that bullish breakout. And I actually do think that is the most likely scenario. I think the most likely scenario is that it breaks above $50 and then continues rallying up to 58 and then potentially $60/$62. So yeah, that's my prediction. We still need to see that though. You always should wait for confirmation because on the other hand, today is going to be a volatile day. If Bitcoin all of a sudden turns quite bearish and Egld is not able to break above $50 and, for example, drops down below $45, then the situation is completely different. Then Egld got rejected from $50 and got a bearish confirmation by breaking down below $45. All right, so you should understand that like right now when I'm making the video, the situation is very bullish. Like there's practically nothing bearish about Egld. But that situation could change. All right, so you should know that and just think about that for yourself. But for now, like I said, still looks great. So congratulations to everybody that's holding and that bought in. Personally, I might still buy in when it breaks above $50. But yeah, if you want to know more about that, consider joining my premium groups. Links to that will be down in the description. And there I have my own Signal group in which I really post all of my own trades, but also an amazing premium group in which I also share trade setups. You get access to my trading guide, way more. Information will be down in the description at those links. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.